Hey guys, CFL-TECH back with another video from CFL-TECH, and we hope that everyone's doing well out there. And we're looking at Samsung TV Plus again. Now, we did a video last month on the app and did a review of it, and now there appears to be an update to the app, and we will be doing a video on this real soon as well to show you the new layout of the guide and how they have the categories now changed as far as being more informative, a new home screen. So we're seeing a lot of this lately. DirecTV Stream has been doing new stuff with their home screen layout. So it seems like with all of the options out there now, a lot of the new thing now is to organize better for every user so they can find stuff faster, which definitely makes sense with all of the content out there. It's getting to the point where it's oversaturated at times, and viewers can get confused. And a recent study shows that a viewer spends a few minutes trying to find what they want to watch on a lot of these apps, and as you know, after a while that can get a little bit annoying. So hopefully this new layout will help with that. Now, they're saying that they've seen some great growth with Samsung TV. Now, we'll link this story down below, as well as always from the desk.net. Now, they're saying they saw a 60% growth, Samsung executives have said, over the last year. And that's tremendous growth, actually. And they had a phenomenal year-over-year growth and ever-expanding premium lineup of family-friendly shows, music playlists, news, sports programming, and more. Samsung TV Plus has a clear foothold in the fast landscape, which is free ad-supported television. That's the acronym FAST, if you're not familiar with it. Now, that's a great sign for them, and it's really good to see with all of the competition out there, and it's a pretty good platform. We'll do a review. Like I said, we'll do another updated review with this new app update. We do have it now installed on our TV. It did load up and looks great, so we'll have that real soon. So they're seeing some really good growth. And what are your thoughts on Samsung TV? Have you tried it, and are you enjoying it? And also, have you gotten the update yet, and what do you think of that if you have? Now, there are plenty of other options out there like Pluto TV, and now even Pluto TV has done an update to their interface, a new home screen as well. So they're all doing this, and it's a competitive thing to do. Like I said, it's very competitive, and also there's so many different options out there now. It can get a little overwhelming for users. Time is important to them when they have the little time to watch something. You don't want to spend a lot of time trying to find content. So this is good to see that we're starting to see this across the board, especially with the free ad-supported apps, because they're free, and that's where a lot of people are turning to these days because of a lot of the price increases we've seen with the live TV streaming services. So it's really good to see, and also people that are cutting the cord from cable and satellite that may be going right to fast type of content. So it's really nice to see, again, that they're doing this. So they are really pleased with the growth, and I think anyone would be. And now you can get this on, they say now, Samsung said its free ad-supported streaming platform is available on more than 555 million Samsung smart TVs and mobile devices around the world, to include its lineup of Samsung Galaxy phones and tablets, and some home appliances like Samsung refrigerators with smart screens. So that's really interesting. Now, it's mostly a Samsung only on Samsung platforms, and that makes sense, but there's so many of them out there that they can do well with this, with all of the ads that are on there. It's definitely a draw for a lot of advertisers. So what are your thoughts on this? And we'll be doing the video soon, so look forward to that. Hopefully you'll enjoy that. And what are your thoughts? Put your comments down below. Hope everybody's doing great, like we said earlier, and CFL-TECH will be back with another video real soon, so we'll be checking out this one soon to be back with another. Take care.